Hello students, how are you? As you watched my last video I have said that we have learned a lot of things about the feature. Now we will learn some other advanced feature of the Windows in our classes. So let's start. Students, firstly we will learn about the how to create the short. Okay. For creating the shortcut, you have to right click on your desktop and then you will go for the new and here you will get a shortcut option. Shortcut. Click on shortcut option. This type of dialog box will be appear and you can browse. Suppose we want to create a network shortcut, then we'll click on we will click on suppose Google Chrome. I want to create the shortcut for Google Chrome, then you click on OK and next and you will click finish. Then you will see that we have get the shortcut of the Google Chrome in your desktop. We can open this and you can find that our browser will come here also. Shortcut, basically shortcut is a small type of reference icon of a actual app. Okay. Now students, we will learn about the some other things. For example, minimize the window. For this you will see in the title bar. The title bar is the title bar and here you will get three buttons. First button known as minus mark, that is known as minimize button. Second button known as square rectangle square option, which is known as maximize button, and third is close button. Okay. When you click on minimize, then you will see that your window will be minimized to the taskbar. Okay. When you click on this, then you will get the click on again, then your those will be reappear again. Okay. And maximize button, when you click on maximize button, your window will be shorter. Okay. The window will be in a small in size, and if you want to again restore in full view, then you will again click on the maximize button and your window will be on full screen. Okay, that is minimize and maximize. Okay, when you maximize the window and you will, if you want to adjust the screen size, want to manually fit the window size, then you will click on the will go mouse on your end of your window. You will see that your mouse icon will be changed. When it will be changed, then you will click on left button and you will press and drag it, and you can see that our window size has been changed. That is known as resizing of windows. Okay. Okay students, now we will learn how to change the date and time of the computer. For this you will go to the control panel. For this you will click on search menu and you will find the control panel. Click on it and you can see the many more icons of control panel. What is control panel? Control panel is a command center of Windows. Okay. Here by here you can manage many more things, many more settings of devices and many more settings of the applications also. Okay. Now we want to change the date and time. Then we will go to the control panel and will access the icons. Okay, you can see a date and time option are here. Okay, you can see a date and time option are here. You can also change the size of icon by the here. You can click on stars icon. You will see that your icon size has changed. Now you can clearly visible that date and time option are here. Control panel. When you click on date and time, the pop-up dialog box appear and here you can change the date and time. For this, for example, you will click on change date and time option. You will if you want to set the date, for example, if you set the date for 15, you will click on 15 and you will click on OK button. If you want to change the time also, then you will change the time from here. Press the OK button. OK button, your mouse. You can see that your time of computer has been changed. Okay, we will do it again. We'll click on the date and time, change date and time, and you will click the time date or you want to select and okay. Okay, you can change the time zone also. For changing this, you can click on change time zone and you will click that if you want to change the time zone. Okay, you can see all over world time zone are here. For India, we usually click plus 5:30 UTC. Okay, from the control panel, you can change also the setting of mouse. For this, you have to click on mouse icon on control panel. When you click on mouse icon, then you will see a lot of options from here. For this, first one is button configuration. You will switch primary and secondary button. When you click on this, your left click will behave like right click and right click behave like left. You can change if you are desired. Okay, and if you want to move the, if you want to increase the speed of the mouse, then you will also can from there. If you want to change the pointer, then you will click on here and here a lot of pointers you can see. Any one of you can change the pointer. For example, if you want to change the, for this you will click on browse button and you will get the all icons of the browse the mouse. You will click any of this. For example, we use this and when it right, you will see that your mouse icon has been changed. Okay, again we will click on arrow button and apply. You will see that your mouse icon has been changed. Okay, and here from here you can select the pointer speed. Also, if you want to show the trails of mouse, you will click on here. You will see that the trail of the mouse will appear. Okay, any of setting, this setting you can apply for the mouse from the control panel. I hope you understand. Okay, now students, we will learn how to switch between the windows. This feature known as flipping of windows. For you, for this you have to click on Alt button on the keyboard and along with Alt button you will click on Tab. Then you will see that all application which is open in your computer is looking like this. For example, if you open another application, we have also opened Microsoft Word. Okay, and we have also opened Microsoft S. Now we will click on Alt and Tab. You will see that your windows, all the application open windows are in its with a small screen. You can see. And for switching this, you will click on any active windows or you will press the tab button for go the desired window for open. Okay, you can see the selection. When you press the tab button, your selection will be move forward. Okay, and from that any of window you can select for open. Okay, I hope you understand.